Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Chase card to your Apple Wallet. Now, this works whether you have the physical card with you or if you don't have the physical card, but you just might have the app on your iPhone or Android. So the first thing we can do on your iPhone or Android is to find the Wallet app. So I'm going to swipe over to the app library here, and I can find Wallet here or just search for Wallet and tap on it. Now, within the Wallet app, I can add credit cards by tapping on the plus here. You can see I have a couple of cards already, but I'm going to tap on the plus and then just tap on debit or credit card. Now from here, all I need to do is hit continue, and I have a couple different options. It does say that you can just use the NFC card reader on your iPhone just to place the credit card next to your iPhone. Or you can hit enter details manually and then just enter in that card number manually. However, this requires that you have actual physical card with you to be able to do that. Let's say you don't have it, you're out and about, you're at a store or something like that, and you just have the app on your phone. You can add it from that as well. So let's hop out of here, hop out of the Apple Wallet app, and open up the Chase app instead. Now within the Chase app, I'm going to just hit allow so that I can log in here. Within the Chase app, and enter in my passcode. After I've done that, you'll be able to see here's my Chase card. I'm going to add it to my Apple Wallet by tapping on where it says manage account right under the card there. And now you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. I'm going to choose where it says add cards to your digital wallets. And then, of course, it allows me to use PayPal, Pays, whatever that is, as well as Apple Pay. Of course, if you have an Android phone, it will have some other options. But I can just hit Add to Apple Pay here. And it automatically pulls my name and the card number, and I can just hit Continue. The nice thing is that your phone will do the rest in terms of setting everything up. You might need to agree to some terms or whatever, and then it will go through the process of adding it to your wallet. After it has added it fully to your wallet, I'll show you where to find it. You can see I can choose to have it as a default card, but in this case, I'm going to hit Not Now. Now it has been added. Let's go back to your wallet to find it. So let's hop out of here and open up the Wallet app again. And if I just go exit out of here, you'll be able to see there is that Chase card that I just added, and now I can use it within my Apple Wallet. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.